In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off OneDrive. If you're looking to take more control over your file management or simply want to switch to a different cloud service, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and confidently. First, let's begin by directing our attention to the taskbar on your computer screen. Here, you're looking for the OneDrive cloud icon, which typically resides among the icons near the clock. This cloud icon is your gateway to adjusting OneDrive settings, so go ahead and click on it to open up a menu. This menu will provide you with direct access to OneDrive's features, allowing you to proceed with the necessary adjustments. After clicking on the cloud icon, your next task is to locate the gear icon, universally recognized as a symbol for settings. Clicking on this icon will present you with another menu that delves deeper into OneDrive's configurations. From the list of options that appear, select Settings. This is where you'll have the opportunity to manage various aspects of how OneDrive integrates with your computer. Within the Settings menu, take a moment to locate the Account tab. Accounts are where you manage login information and linked devices. By clicking on the Account tab, you'll be able to start the process of unlinking this particular PC from your OneDrive account. This step is crucial if you're planning a complete disconnect from OneDrive's automated syncing activities. Once you're in the Account section, you'll notice an option to unlink this PC. Selecting this option will prompt OneDrive to sever the connection between your computer and the cloud storage service. A dialog box may pop up, asking you to confirm your decision. Be sure to select Unlink Account to proceed. It's important to note that while your files will remain on your computer, they will no longer be synced with OneDrive. Finally, to ensure OneDrive is fully disabled, we'll need to uninstall the application from your computer. Start by opening the control panel from your Windows menu, then navigate to Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, find Microsoft OneDrive, select it, and click on Uninstall. This will guide you through the removal process, effectively cleaning OneDrive out from your system. With OneDrive gone, your computer will no longer upload or download files to or from the OneDrive server. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off OneDrive on your computer. This process is perfect if you're switching to another cloud service or simply prefer managing your files locally. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Until next time, take care.